Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today we have Ipsy and Boxycharm Ipsy. And this one I have a bit of an update. We are not going to do trying it on because from what I have found, I'm just throwing stuff in the garbage. Not everything in these are cruelty free. So the update will be is that we will figure out what is, and so if you are getting these boxes or these bags and you don't know, you can come to me and we can figure it out together. So let's open these up. Let's do Ipsy first because I got this one first in the mail. Take him first, he gets to be opened first. So we got nothing on the outside, but this bag is friggin' gorgeous. It's like very mermaidy. Let's see. Uh-oh, looks like a brush got stuck in the zipper. So first off we have Pure Heals Back Charcoal Peel Off Mask. I've gotten so many masks, I'm starting to have to give them away. So we got that. At the end we will recap what is and what isn't cruelty free. When in doubt, we get out. Interesting. Echo liquid black liner. It's very tiny. Precision smudge proof. Pitch black. Oh my gosh, that is like way black. So, hoping that one is cruelty free because that would be nice to use. So we got that puppy. We got a brush from Elizabeth Mott, a blending brush. I like Elizabeth Mott. It's really cute. It's like lavender. Very soft. Very soft. We got Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for dry skin. Luscious lips and glossy bits. That's funny. So it looks like a lip balm, but looks like they started as something else. So the next thing I got in here, Pacifica. Now right off the bat I know Pacifica is cruelty free. They're actually vegan as well, so I'm super stoked about this. So what did we get? What did we get? Ooh, this is a coconut infused blush. I'm so stoked about this. So it's a blush and kind of like a contour or bronzer. Or maybe like a, yeah, it's really pretty. I swatched it in the weirdest spot, but that's what it looks like. This, I love Pacifica. Ooh, and there's a giant mirror on the back. That's actually not too shabby. So yeah, they are cruelty free and vegan. It says it right here in the back. So let's jump into Boxycharm. We got a blush from Note. This is like a packaging. I've never ever seen anything like this before. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of like an orangey, lighter terracotta color. It's not too bad. And we got a Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So this part is a brush only. Oh, that is an interesting concept. So one side is a brush and it has a lid, and then the cream is in this part. That's actually really travel friendly. Yeah, that's cool. So we can do that. Needles No More. Dr. Brandt Eye Depuffing Gel. I'm so excited about this. Ooh, how do I get it out? Oh, it's like orange. Oh, this is so cool. It kind of smells terrible. Wonder Beauty, a mascara, and then lastly something that looks so luscious, Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. This is so cool, it's so giant. So Tarte is cruelty free, so, and Dr. Brandt is. So alright, so a recap of all the things that we've got this thing that I'm so excited about, Tarte Skin Mist. I'm so excited about that. That is cruelty free. Chella is cruelty free. Wonder Beauty, cruelty free. Eco is Dr. Lip. The nipple cream is cruelty free. Note and Elizabeth Mott. The only two things that are not are Dr. Brandt. They are not cruelty free, and Pure Heals, which is kind of funny because it's like they say Pure Heals, but it's made in Korea. That's one of a dead giveaway because of companies overseas like that actually have laws in place so that everything that's in there has to be tested. I don't understand that all the way. Maybe I should do some more research, but this one, I'm not sure why, but it's not. I will link the websites down below it that I refer to for these things. There's a list of a list that is like all brands that are not cruelty free. Some of them actually have like brands that you're like, what? They have products? So, yep, I am really excited to try these new things. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. If you guys did enjoy this new kind of change up for this, then let me know and I will do it more and more. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!